Our reindeer hat, we'll be using a 5-inch round red that I've inflated to about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches. I've also got a white 5-inch round that I've inflated just slightly smaller. Then I've got a light brown or blush 160 with about a 3-inch tail uninflated. And then I've got a mocha here 260 with about a 1/2 inch uninflated. We're going to start with our mocha, our darker brown. I'm going to take my red 5-inch round and tie it to the end. Just tie the two nozzles together. Let's trim that off. And of course, if you don't want this to be Rudolph, you could put a black nose on there or whatever you wanted. This is going to be the hat, so you measure your child or person's head. And just like making a basic helmet, and then we'll bring this back across the top. Twist it into the back. And all you've done is make a basic helmet, but we have this red on the front for the nose. And we're going to take our 5-inch round white, and we're going to divide it into 2 equal bubbles, making sure the knot is in the middle. So just use your thumb and push the knot up into the middle. Divide it into 2 roughly equal bubbles. And then we're going to take that and twist that onto the front as well to give him some eyes right there. Now we need some antlers. Before we start the antlers, I'm going to go ahead and take this middle one on the top that crosses over, find the middle and divide it into 2, and we'll come back to that in a moment. Now for our antlers, take and make about a 2.5 to 3 inch bubble, a little 1/2 inch bubble, and make that into a pinch twist. I'm going to make a pair of about 2-inch bubbles here, and then lock those together around that base. 2 more of those little 2-inch bubbles, and then twist those in around that base too. Then we need 1 more little 1/2 inch bubble to make all of this sort of lay flat. Just like that. Sort of like a little airplane wing out there. And then you can take and shape these a little bit to make them sort of curve, where they're not just sticking out flat. And there's one of the ends of your antlers. And then make about a 3 or 4 inch bubble. That'll be your divider, where it'll go into the middle. I'm going to put a little 1/2 inch bubble in there with a pinch, make that a pinch twist. Now we're going to repeat and make the other antler on the other side, and we're working backwards now, so we're going to make our little pinch twist, and then our pair of 2-inch bubbles, lock them in. 2 more 2-inch bubbles, lock them in, and then 1 more little pinch twist. And our last little bubble came out just a little bit longer, but that's okay. Shape this all a little bit. Have that. And there's our antlers, and we're going to take and attach these up here in the middle of our hat. So now our little reindeer has some antlers. Let's draw some eyes so you can see where we're going with this guy. It always helps. And sort of a silly, fun, quick little reindeer hat.